Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Krompiatek from Coley at Canisius. In this video we will introduce Google Calendar. Google Calendar, which we will call GCal for the remainder of this video, is an application that can be used to help you organize your schedule and remember important dates. To get to GCal, you can either go to calendar.google.com and sign in to Google Drive using your MyCanisius email address, or if you are already logged into Google Drive, click on the grid of squares to the left of your name and click on the GCal icon. Once there, you should see something similar to what I have. Taking up most of the screen is likely the week, starting with Sunday. If you want to change the calendar from week view to month view or day view, click on the drop-down in the upper right corner where it says week. From there, you will see all of the viewing options available to you. If you need to find an event or important date, you can use the magnifying glass to search through the entire history of your calendar. In the upper left corner, you have the month and year. To the left of this is a greater than and less than symbol, which will allow you to move forward and backward through the dates. If you ever move around in your calendar and need to get back to today, simply click on the Today button. In the left-hand sidebar below the Today button is the Create button. This will allow you to create an event in your calendar. We will get more into events later in this video. Below the Create button, you can quickly move between months and the days of these months. Below this, you have My Calendars and Other Calendars. My Calendars are any calendar you created in this account. Other calendars are calendars that you connected to, created by other people or accounts. By default, calendars are active and can create a bit of a mess. To hide calendars, simply click on the checkbox to the left of the calendar. To create an event in GCal, you can either click on the Create button in the upper left corner, or click on an open slot on the calendar to get started. From there, you will get a condensed pop-up menu where you can add the title of the event, change the date and time of the event, add guests, and more. Clicking on More Options will give you a full-screen version of this pop-up menu, allowing you to more easily see all of the options you have when creating events. Clicking on Does Not Repeat will give you a drop-down and some options for having the event reoccur. When you are done editing your event, click on the blue Save button in the upper right corner. If you click on an event, it will give you a brief overview of the event. To edit it, click on the pencil icon in the upper right corner. If the event is set to repeat and you make changes, when you click Save, you will get another pop-up asking if you want to change this event and the following events or all events. To delete an event, click on it and select the trash can icon in the upper right corner. If the event is one that repeats, GCal will ask you if you want to delete this event, this and following events, or all events. If the event is a standalone event and does not repeat, hitting delete will simply delete the event without any pop-ups. That is it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.